Hey guys, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how to make money online with Amazon in 2021. So if you're worried that you missed the e-commerce boat, don't worry, it's just getting moving. While several e-commerce companies like eBay, Walmart, etc. make selling products online easy, in my experience, the best way to make money online is with Amazon. Amazon is a huge opportunity for those who want to join world of e-commerce. In 2020, Amazon ranked 3.86 billion in revenue, over half of which was fueled by third-party sales. But what can you do to get a piece of Amazon pie? There are tons of great ways to earn cash with Amazon. So to help you find what methods work the best, this article divides the top ways to make money with Amazon in 2021. Let's get started. Number one, sell your own private label products on Amazon. The best way to make money online in 2021 is through private label sales using Amazon's FBA network. Around 71% of all Amazon sellers run their business using private label method. Private label method is it's a process of manufacturing pre-existing items. So an item that already exists in the market. So you just making that item again by putting your own brand and logo on it and selling it to consumers. Sometimes it is referred to as white labeling or recreation or brand creation. Thanks to FBA, Amazon is able to deliver your products. This is how e-commerce business owners like you and me can list good on Amazon and make money from the sales that Amazon makes. How much money can I sell by selling private label products on Amazon? Approximately $625 to $1,875 per month per product. Over 56% of private label sellers earn 50,000, actually earn 5,000 or more in monthly sales. The 50,000 is those that have much more experience. They earn about $50,000 in their lifetime profits. If you want to learn more about private label products on how to sell them on Amazon, you should visit this site junglescout.com. Number two, publishing your own book on Kindle Direct Publishing. Amazon KDP allows you to publish your own books on Amazon. This is my second favorite way to make money on Amazon, but that's probably because I'm a professional writer. Then again, in addition, digital format, you have to print actual copies of your book too. The only catch with this is that you need to write books professionally in order to success. How much money can you make by writing for KDP? Up to $40,000 per month. I've heard that some authors make much as $40,000 per month. These writers, however, they tend to be like professional writers, and people actually notice them. How can I earn? How can I learn how to make money on Amazon with KDP? There's a website over here. This one, how to make thousand by selling case studies. So you just visit this website and you'll get more information on it. Number three, sell wholesale goods on Amazon. Similar to private label selling, wholesales involves purchasing bulk quantities of products and selling to Amazon's FBA network. The primary difference, however, is that when you're selling to other company products, therefore you don't have to worry about manufacturing or branding the product. For a lot of sellers, it's one of the most popular ways to make money on Amazon. How much money can you actually earn from this? Up to $3,000 to $4,000 per month. And again, you can learn this through the website that is shown. Let's go to number four. Number four, deliver goods for Amazon. By now, you probably know that Amazon has its own delivery service. But did you know that you can join the delivery service as a driver? They might even pay you $10,000 to get started. Amazon's Flex program allows you to do that. All you have to do is answer a quick questionnaire, download the app, and you're accepted and start making money. Think of this as like Uber for Amazon deliveries. So you're basically delivering Amazon products to people. How much money can you make off this? You can make about approximately $100 per day. $100, or if not more than $100 per day, you can make off by just delivering Amazon products. Number 5, become a blogger. Ever wanted to start a lifestyle blog? Publish how-to videos or recipes. Otherwise, you can get your thoughts and ideas published. You can make money from Amazon while doing that. Picture this. You find a cool product on Amazon, send your friends a link, and if they buy it or get paid commission on your blog, that links goes with a few more folks, you can make quite a bit more money from commissions. Number 6, flip store bought products with retail arbitrage. If you used to watch the US version of The Office, you might remember that episode where Dwight brought up the Princess Unicorn dolls, around Christmas time. His plan was to sell them for $200 or more to the last minute shoppers. So basically, for arbitrage, you need to retail like Walmart, Target, and all of these stores. You can find their products at a discount price and resell them for markup. How much can you make of this? You can make about $300 to $2,000 per month. Number 7, buy on eBay and sell on Amazon. So buy products on eBay off eBay for cheaper price, and then you can resell those same products on Amazon and make profit of this. You can make about $200 to $500 per month. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, drop a like on this video, and comment your thoughts on this.